7th edition of India's Most Prominent Food and Hospitality Awards 2023 were conferred upon 40 cuisine and culinary restaurants throughout India by the Merit Awards Market Research Private Limited. One of the most popular and tasty local Khasi food cafes, Aiti Belti Trattoria, won Best Family Restaurant in Meghalaya. Two restaurants from the northeastern region won this honor, including Khorikaa Restaurant for the Best Assamese Cuisine Restaurant for the year 2023. The award ceremony was graced by India's top chef, Sanjeev Kapoor, and a host of celebrated officials from the food and beverage industry. The awards are a pinnacle of achievement for the food and hospitality sectors, where restaurants across different categories in the segment, food service players, chefs, food tech brands and service suppliers were selected on various parameters such as the hospitality services, restaurant menu, service quality, restaurant amenities, restaurant ambience, guest reviews, food taste, and other elements of excellence. The winners of the awards showcased their unique selling points, achievements, and innovation in their respective sectors to have achieved the honor. The award for Aiti Belti Trattoria of Shillong was received by Mr. Balawanpanskem Suting, popularly known as Barichi, at a glittering award ceremony held in New Delhi on the 1st of August 2023.
Kita mengi kibaran itu kan iba tang ke seats number of seats kita tang lai puru dengan kendo langi kita ngamsu serong ya kata tiga ika mengasuk nak terong betba ngayok pencim mentang bagi nanti ngamsu down nanti ini kemudian no kani ke message ni kalau bangi no kami dikasih isi dan bahai itu iba ni sisro ni dan kata inferiority complex nanti kata itu so poor itu so ren nanti aku mengalet jadi kem look down nga nanti ngamsu ulang bang ilong equal bagi te nga kata ke bang sutran de ndai ngam semua bang mengandri sekondong lani mengelera ni ndai kami ngakio stage ngai speech for stage ndai berapa kia sutran kia ai buramnya ya ka dukan jini bom duna ya ka sisingi hapo ka sihaja ngut ye ka teng apa yang kayo kosong ka jingdan kayo teng apa yang kayo kiban tang apa sam spangun tatang maki ai ke ba kung ba ngai fi bakal adi ka lan mak te da ki wan na po jai te ki wan po west castles ki wan ki jaka na ki wan na po wi na kini wi jaka ni ki la ki myo man bam wat so na man su ngaso ngaso sarang de wat teng ki long kemiru ki beran hapo hospital ku mas po negrims ki bla ku japo ki hospital ki ba kuat ban benang bakwa ban deliver tempat yo ya aja ni kan ji sokin ma ki sanun kata kalau bawa sultan
pada seperti
ini nasyabari India pada ki kharkal kita ada kali ke season atom gani masyaallah kali ka ayam wan to ni ki tourist kum ki wan ki khamwan bun ma ki tourist kum ki bnai bla de ki June June July te kumne ki nado umta ta nado ki sedang bnai April May June July kum to ki kharkal kita ru ki basutran ban ba me ka dan nang ki kharkal ki khat Assam what la don kini kinja festival ko masidan to ka northeast NH7 to and then kadang tu ko sultan ba ki kinapet ya ka dukan ni kinamong suba kali dukan kasi hindi kiwan kinapo bombe kiwan na pe what kumah pun jauh no kidang festival kum kini puja kum kini Diwali wat kini Hindu ru ki pet por ka tu ka festival ru dukan ni ka dap tang ni gitu kijat dan kiwan ki snow try kita bangin set kata mesti kiwan ibang tu kiwan dalam di family yang tu kita ada shopping kita ada itu kiwan memang kita ada kaji ini katakan kalau setengah